Buongiorno paisani! It's time for another parola catalogisa. It's time for me to teach you another Sicilian word. Today's word is sgarbato. It means rude, and in Italian, it's the same thing. It's sgarbato. So how do you put in a sentence? Well, let's see. You can say, mi come si vota sgarbato. It means, wow, he answered me so rude. In Italian, we say, mamma mia, come si è volto sgarbato. So that's the word for today, sgarbato, rude, sgarbato in Italian. And I just want to thank you all. You guys are amazing. You're fantastic. We are at 385 subscribers on YouTube. And I appreciate all your dedication, your loyalty. And I would like to extend my invitation once again for you to encourage your family, your friends, your neighbors, your whoever, coworkers, to subscribe because my goal is to get to 500 subscribers or maybe more, but at least 500. Why? Because if we reach 500 before the 25th of October, then I can do a live feed on YouTube of the gala as it's happening, which is going to be wonderful. It's an amazing gala for a fantastic cause. We are going to be donating all the funds to the Cedars Cancer Foundation as well as the Lighthouse Foundation for children in palliative care. These are very important causes because our children are our life, they are our future, and we want to help them get the best out of life, even though they're dealing and fighting with a disease. So on that note, thank you all for watching. Keep learning, and again, like I said, please subscribe if you already haven't to the YouTube channel Italiani di Montreal e amici. Come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.